Hey there guys, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the essence of what makes us who we are. Today, I want to talk about something that's at the core of every man's journey, something that defines our character and shapes our destiny. The power of hard work. It's a force that drives us forward, pushing us to achieve our goals and dreams. It's not just a necessity, it's a fundamental aspect of our lives. It's a way of life that shapes us into who we are, molding our character and building our resilience. Now, let's dive into why hard labor is so crucial. It's more than just a means to an end, it's a journey that enriches our lives in countless ways. Manual labor gets you moving. It engages your body in a way that few other activities can. Lifting, bending, pushing, these aren't just actions, they're exercises that keep you fit and active. They build muscle, increase flexibility, and help maintain a healthy weight. It's like a full-body workout without the need for a gym membership. It's like hitting the gym without even realizing it. Every task you complete contributes to your overall well-being, but there's more to it than just physical benefits. Hard work also has profound mental and emotional advantages. Hard work instills a sense of accomplishment. When you finish a tough job, you feel a rush of pride and satisfaction. When you finish a tough job, you feel a rush of pride. Your self-esteem skyrockets, and you gain a newfound respect for your abilities. You become more resilient, disciplined, and your work ethic strengthens. These qualities are essential for personal and professional success. You gain confidence and the ability to overcome challenges. Each obstacle you conquer makes you stronger and more capable. It gives your life purpose and meaning. Knowing that your efforts contribute to something greater than yourself is incredibly fulfilling. Plus, the skills you learn along the way are invaluable. Each task teaches you something new, adding to your repertoire of abilities. Every challenge you face pushes you out of your comfort zone, leading to personal growth and development. It's through these experiences that we truly evolve, and these benefits don't just fade away, they extend through your entire life. The lessons you learn and the strength you build stay with you forever. They extend through your entire life. The habits and values you develop through hard work become a part of your identity. Let's not forget the importance of balance. While hard work is essential, it's equally important to find a balance that allows you to enjoy life. Working hard is essential, but so is maintaining a healthy work-life balance. It's about finding harmony between your professional and personal life. It's about working smart and making time for yourself and your loved ones. This balance is crucial for long-term happiness and well-being. This is crucial to avoid burnout and negative impacts on your health. Taking care of your mental and physical health ensures you can continue to work hard and enjoy life. Even in retirement, the benefits of hard work don't stop. Staying active and engaged keeps you healthy and fulfilled. Retirees who keep busy with hobbies or part-time jobs live healthier, longer lives. It's a testament to the enduring value of hard work. It's proof that staying active and engaged is key to longevity. The effort you put in today pays off for the rest of your life. So take care of yourself. Embrace the grind, find joy in the work you do, and take pride in your accomplishments. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, hard work is not just an adventure, it's a man thing. Hard work is not just an adventure, it's a man thing. It's a journey that defines us and makes us who we are. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on living your best life.